I can't hear you. Probably you must be too hungry. That's why your voice is not even coming up. I've seen, I have been looking at the students on the activities or the way they have been attending today's program. I don't see the enthusiasm on your face too much as required. Are you guys excited? Really? Can you raise your hand who are excited? I'm thankful to be here and very happy to see the beautiful faces of all the students today. I will not be too formal. No, I usually have a casual discussion or casual speech everywhere wherever I go. Let me introduce you. First of all, let me introduce you about myself. I am Dinesh Debbarma. I am the founder and director of Tripura People Foundation, an NGO in Bangalore for the Tripura community and for the Tiprasa people in Bangalore. I have spread this organization or this NGO all over the South India, like Hyderabad, Kerala, Chennai, Bangalore, and recently I started in Pune as well. And hoping to see, because of the struggle, because of the support that I got from the public, because of the support that I got from elders, because of the education, because of the knowledge that I got transferred from many leaders, that I could communicate with them. So I would want you guys to see, there might be many seniors who might have passed from this college and might be working in some hospitals. So try staying connected with them. Now the third year student would be working to some, even those old taken students would be working with some hospitals. So the first year students obviously would have the contact numbers. If they are working, you can think of working in the same hospitals in future. But if you don't plan your future from today, think your future tomorrow or after 3 years, after completing your education, is going to be blind. It's going to be blank, it's going to be dark. So you have to prepare for your future from the first day of your college, from the first year, from the first day when you come to the college after taking admissions. You have to think, plan for your future accordingly. As I said, do not blindly study the lines in the books. Okay. I see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the rest? आप लोग नहीं करना चाहते हैं? क्या गाँव जाके वापस से बैठना चाहते हो? You know, our society is backdoor, or we can say backward today, because of students like you, who just finish your education and go and sit back home, believing that you will get a government job, believing that somebody will come knock your door and ask you to come and join the job or to come and join the hospitals, which is not possible. Imagine there are lakhs of populations and thousands of students are passing every year, and it is impossible for the government to give jobs to each student who graduates every year. So do not run behind jobs alone. There are no difference between nurses and the social workers like us. I'm a social worker from an NGO. Nurses are also equal to a social work. Even they serve the society, even they serve the patients. Do not wait for somebody to come and